I'm gonna try to show you the evolved monkey jump. I think the monkey jump doesn't really have an evolved form, basically, because it's so simple. But yeah, whatever. So. So, you know, it's just... Don't get in my way. You better stay over there. What you just want to do is just want to... There it is. Watch out. Come on, get up. It's just new. Come on. Down, boy. Hyper. He's really hyper. I don't even see him running in circles, but he's hyped up. Chill. I'm going to play with him a little bit, guys, before I make my next video. But I'm going to go ahead and post this. I thought it was kind of funny. Jeez. Yeah, let me see. Look. Oh, crap. Look at him. See, so hyper now. Okay, hold on. Drop it. Come on. Chill. Ah, Brutus. No, wait. Trying to show him. Yeah, he's having lots of fun right now. Ow, my leg now. Hold on. He play bites like, well, you know when you teach your dog to play bite. Hey, hold on. That was new. Tripping. You know that. Yeah. Look up. Come on, look. See you. Ah, boy, caught right into me. I'm gonna play with you in a second. I'm gonna finish this video. Alright. But yeah, my dog. He's just, you know, he's pretty awesome. So, you know, comment, subscribe. Darkness.